Hi, welcome to Breathwork Coaching. My name is Coach Erin, and I'll be guiding you through a breathwork session today that is gentle and meant to help you lower your stress and anxiety. So as you find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, I want you to find a place that you won't be disturbed, where all distractions are put away for this time, and where you can just really be present with your breath and with your body, slowing the mind down, connecting, de-stressing, and connecting with more of that calm, grounded presence. So as you find this comfortable place, whether you're sitting or lying down, I want you to close your eyes. Eyes are closed, and we start to connect more with our breath and with our body. No need to alter the breath or the body, just check in, welcome yourself where you're at, and maybe start with thanking yourself for taking time out of your busy day or your evening to just breathe and to calm the nervous system, to connect, to slow down and be present. We get so stuck and focused on task and doing and achieving that we forget to just be. And we're human beings, we're not human doings. So as you just rest here in whatever position you're in, thank yourself for showing up, for slowing down, and just being with your breath. If that's all you do in this session, that's wonderful. Now we are going to do some conscious breathing where we're going to alter the breath a little bit to get more out of the respiratory diaphragm and the pace. So I like to say we look at the pace and the pattern when we're doing breath work. We're going to slow down our pace and we're going to improve our breathing pattern or our biomechanics. So as you're here, you're breathing in and out of the nose. Start to see if you can favor your exhale. So instead of thinking that the inhale is the start of your breath, just shift your awareness and imagine that the exhale is the start of the breath. So exhale fully out of the nose and then inhale. And just start to favor the exhale, letting the exhale be longer than your inhale. We tend to favor the inhale throughout the day, and that's going to be more of a stimulated breath. So anytime you're inhaling, that's going to upregulate the nervous system. Our exhale, especially at the end of the exhale, maybe even if you can get a slight pause at the end of the exhale, that's where you get the really powerful benefit of our parasympathetic nervous system state. Rest, digest, restore, and recover. So that's what today's session is going to be all about. The exhale, that sweet spot, that little pause at the end of your breath. The inhale is important as well. We want to make sure that we're breathing correctly, that we're biomechanically breathing well. So if you're able to, go ahead and touch your ribs. Just make sure you can kind of feel the rib cage. As you inhale through the nose for about 4 seconds, I want you to feel a little stretch of the ribs. So the inhale will stretch, the rib cage opens up, and then as you exhale out of the nose, slowly feel everything relax in. So inhale is stretching, opening up. Exhale, you soften, everything relaxes down. Keep your neck and shoulders relaxed. When you inhale, I want you to feel expansion in your belly, your low back, your ribs, and your pelvic floor. And then as you exhale, feel everything soften towards the midline. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause at the bottom. Then breathe in again. Feel that stretch. Breathe out nice and slow. Everything softens and relaxes in towards the midline, and hold your breath at the bottom of your exhale. Breathe in. Stretch. Breathe out. Soften and relax. Go to the end of your breath and then just hold at the bottom. Breathe in. Feel that stretch. The ribs open up laterally. Breathe out nice and slow. Hold at the bottom. Let's do a few more like this. Breathing in, 360-degree expansion, and slowly breathing out, nice and slow. Making the exhale a little longer with a pause at the bottom. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Pause at the bottom. Last time, breathe in. And breathe out. Pause at the bottom. Bring a smile to your face. Just notice how that feels in the body. Then release the smile. And check in. How does that feel? Where did you feel the breath today? Without judging or criticizing yourself, just check in. Did you like that slower pace? Did you find it hard? Without focusing too much on the pace this time, I want you to just breathe 10 breaths, but really try to make the exhale as long as you can. So what I mean by this is, as you inhale, feel that stretch just like we did before, but I want you to go to the end of your breath. So fully empty. You might even feel a little squeeze or hugging in the core, a tightening in the core. That's okay. I want you to fully empty on your exhales. And then after you've emptied, hold the breath at the bottom and then inhale a short, gentle inhale. I'm going to give you 1 minute to practice that breathing pattern. Without me cueing you, I want you to make it really yours. If you lose focus or lose track, just gently come back to your breath. Do the best you can. And inhale for 360 degrees, a long exhale, fully empty, and then hold at the bottom. You can do this. Stay with it. Wherever you're at, do 3 more breaths. 3 more breaths to finish your guided practice, self-guided practice. No rush. Whenever you're done, just let the breath go. Let it be natural. Don't try to control it. Bring that smile back to your face and thank yourself. Be kind. Our inner voice can be very critical and harsh. Try kindness. Try to validate yourself in the work that you're doing for your health and your well-being and your stress. You're doing great. Our final breath is going to be one that I like to call the cleansing breath. So this one, we're going to inhale, fill the belly, fill the ribs, fill the chest. And then on our exhale, we're going to open our mouth, exhale, sigh, and release. So it's almost like we're breathing from the bottom up, almost like a tear. So I want you to inhale, try this, fill the belly, fill the ribs, fill the heart, the chest. Open your mouth, exhale, sigh, and release. Let's continue on. Inhale, fill the belly, the ribs, the chest, or stretching from the inside out. Open your mouth, exhale, sigh, and release with sound. Good. Inhale, fill, belly, ribs, chest. Open your mouth, exhale, sigh, and release. Really let it out. You can be as loud as you want to. Inhale, fill the belly, the ribs, the chest. Open your mouth, exhale, sigh, and release. Clearing out, cleansing out. Inhale, fill up. What do you need more of in your life? And exhale, open mouth, exhale, sigh, and release. What do you need to let go of? What do you need to release in your life? Last 2, inhale, fill. What do you need more of in life? And exhale, sigh and release. What would you like to let go? Feel lighter now. Relax. Don't control the breath. You did wonderful. Bring that smile to your face. Tell yourself something good about you, something good that you did today, something that you're proud of about your character. Again, we're so quick to doubt or to go into despair or to get down on ourselves or to criticize ourselves. I want you to work on internal validation, or you say something kind to yourself, or you highlight something that you are doing right. And it just feels better. And then your brain starts searching for what you do right versus what you always do wrong. This is called internal validation. It's wonderful work. So as we're coming to a close in this evening's breathing practice, I just want to thank you for being here. Thank you for taking the time out of your day, doing something that really benefits your mind and your body and your spirit. It really helps us to connect. So thank you. I appreciate you. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe or share with a friend. Breathe well. Welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. We're here to help you connect within from the comfort of your own home, to help you overcome stress and anxiety through guided breathwork, mindful meditation, and somatic movement practices like yoga and Pilates. You can also partner with one of our certified health and wellness coaches so that you can make positive, lasting, and sustainable changes in your health and well-being. For more details, check out breathewellcoaching.com.